Kenya has revised the duration between the administration of the first dose and the second dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine from 8 weeks to 12 weeks. This is according to the Ministry of Health that now says the new decision has been informed by the global vaccine shortage and a new research carried out by the World Health Organization that shows a delay in the second dose could help boost the immunity of an individual further. TV47's Zainab Mohammed with the details.
Following recent speculations on whether or not Kenyans will be receiving their second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine and when that might happen, the Ministry of Health has now come out to clear the air, saying the 8 weeks vaccine administration schedule has now officially been moved to 12 weeks.
Kenyans who got vaccinated on the first week, around 5th of March, probably got a message telling them that they should come around the 5th of May. That's at week 8. Now we are telling you that we have shifted that date by 4 weeks. So if your message was coming in on the 5th of May, you count another 4 weeks, and of course we shall be able to communicate with you and give you your new date of your second vaccine.
According to the ministry, the new decision has been informed by the global vaccine shortage and a new research carried out by the World Health Organization that shows a delay in the second dose could help boost the immunity of an individual further.
Guidance from WHO and the current evidence shows us that taking the second dose at 12 weeks provides a higher immune response and better protection. And with this evidence, and considering the ongoing global supply constraints, this shift is justified.
Not only Kenya that is pushing the second dose to 12 weeks, it is a recommendation by WHO. Other countries have done that. There will be no public health arm.
However, the ministry says the protocol on mixing of vaccines has not changed. Therefore, even as the government looks to bring in different types of vaccines in the near future, Kenyans who receive the first jab of the AstraZeneca vaccine should wait for the second dose of the same vaccine.
In Kenya, we all got our AstraZeneca dose, those who managed to get the first dose. It is expected, and our plan as government is to still issue you with AstraZeneca as the second dose. So in the future, when you see us bringing in Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, or any other vaccine, it doesn't mean that you're allowed to mix. You cannot get AstraZeneca today and then 12 weeks later go and get Pfizer. That is not the protocol that we are following as government.
Meanwhile, the chairperson on Parliamentary Select Committee, Sabina Chege, has criticized how the Ministry of Health has handled the COVID-19 vaccination exercise, saying the ministry is not decided on which vaccine is best for Kenyans. A criticism the ministry proudly rebuffed, saying Kenya has been ranked 7th globally in the vaccination exercise.
We need to really get serious about vaccine. If you're going to rely on the donors only for vaccine, we might not really make it. Now we were relying on India. India has said they want first to sustain their people. What is the ministry doing to make sure that we can also produce our own vaccine?
For those who may have criticism, we always say we welcome any criticism. It can refine us, it can make our game better. But right now we're very proud, as I said, we're number 7 on the leaderboard and we intend to climb that leaderboard.
The country has today recorded a total of 1,153 new COVID-19 cases, 191 recoveries and 20 new deaths. Over 800,000 people have also been vaccinated so far. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.
Now away from COVID-19 and the